it going, everyone? For today's video, we're going to be painting my side mirrors. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, been holding off because I've been lazy. But basically the plan is to paint these all black. As you can see on my passenger one, from a rock chip that I had, the paint started peeling on this one. The other one's fine, but I'm going to paint this all black as well as the base. Paint these as a gloss black as well. Because eventually I'm going to do the roof as well, but first I'm going to do the mirrors just to see how it goes. So this is what we're going to be using. Some simple green to clean the surface. I got my paint, just regular black spray paint and some clear coat. I use this on my wheels, so I like this stuff. Got some Scotch-Brite scuff pad for the one side. I will be sanding the other one, but that's just scuff off the surface. Masking tape and some masking, paper to mask everything off. So, excuse me. Well, let's get this started. It should be pretty simple. I guess this could be a how to not paint your mirrors because I'm not going to be taking them off. I'm too lazy to do that. So I'm just going to paint them while they're still on the car. Now I thought about wrapping them. My buddy that I work with gave me some extra black wrap that he had. I might give it a try, I might not, we'll see. It's just, you guys can tell from my experience with wrap, I'm not very good at it. I failed 2 times to wrap my roof, and I have a video of me failing to put a tint overlay on my headlights. So I have a better, what I want to call it, better reputation, better results with paint. So I'm gonna do that. Everything's masked off. Sanded this area down to get it as smooth as I could. It's pretty smooth. I think it'll build up with the paint. Then use the Scotch-Brite scuff on everything else because you see it's kind of dull right now. Did it on this too. Clean it up. Gonna let it dry just for a couple more seconds and then hit it with the first coat. I really hope this turns out good because I don't want to do it again. So I'm a little nervous. My first time painting a body panel, or a body part. A little nervous. First coat is on, no turning back now. Did a super light coat, just a light dusting, just to get some paint on there. Didn't even get full coverage over everything. Just wanted to get a nice little base on there for the rest of the coats to stick to. That one spot's looking to already blending in. I'm not really too worried about it. If it shows a little, I'm not gonna be too upset about it, just as long as it's not a sore thumb like what it used to be. So far it's looking decent. I might add another piece of paper down here though, just to really minimize some overspray. Yeah, looking good so far. All right, update on about an hour and a half-ish later. One more coat to go, but as you see, looking pretty good. Pretty happy. Now I didn't record much of the process because I wanted this one to be like, the test side. Whereas, if I did mess up, I won't have to show anything. But it turned out good, so we're gonna jump on the other side. I already got it all maxed off. I can't see that word, masked off. And I'll show you guys exactly what I did. So unlike the other side where I had sand because of that one spot in the middle, this side is fine. I don't have to do that. So you just take your Scotch-Brite paper all you want to do is just rough up the surface to have the new paint something to grab to. And I'm not using a primer. That's just my own choice. You guys can if you want. You don't have to, that's why I'm not doing it. But if you want to, you can. So I'm just gonna scuff this up now and we'll go from there. You see, it's a lot duller. I still have to clean it up, but basically just scuffing it up, taking off some of that top clear coat, makes it really dull. And then once you clean it up, it'll be ready for paint. And it's really all about prep work. So if it looks like I kind of went a little overboard with that, you know, I'm just trying to do it once and that's it. So it's really all about the prep work, guys. Sand it well, and clean it well, and you should have no issues.
Silhouette, dark figure on it. Silhouette, dark.
Alright guys, well that's the last coat. I did a... Oh. Hold up. Just feeling super hard. That came super close to ruining that. So yeah. Final coat, I'm done. I'm gonna let these both now sit overnight to you know, cure. And I'm gonna wake up early in the morning tomorrow. I'll clear them, and then in the daytime, I'll show you guys what they look like.
Silhouette, dark figure on the hilltop.